Paul,
Mr. Khurana.
a whole list of questions. Sujata Paul, a whole list of questions come in. I want to go into other guests also, but Harish Khurana, just respond to the point. Just respond to the point with Sujata Paul said. Please go on quickly, Mr. Khurana.
Don't know about what the fact of Delhi is today. She was claiming that CPWD ke under mein aati hai roads. That's the reason all the member of parliament was drained today.
No.
She should know what the actual fact is.
No.
NDMC's exit area is being controlled by PWD and irrigation department. They were being choked. And the act today, as usual, Aam Aadmi Party is blaming whom?
Yes, we'll come to that, Harish Khurana. We'll come to that. Our AAP guest is also there, hoping that he will not be. Our AAP guest is also there, hoping that he will not be subject to the same scrutiny. I have a specific list of questions for the Aam Aadmi Party representative, which unfortunately today is Parvinder Singh Sethi. Parvinder Singh ji, 2 weeks ago, Shelly Oberoi, who is the mayor of Delhi, had come out and said that, हाँ, सारा desilting का काम हो गया है, stormwater drains have been cleared, Delhi is ready to deal with rainfall. 2 hours. 2 hours of pre-monsoon. The monsoons have not even hit Delhi yet. 2 hours is all that it took for the reality of Delhi under the Aam Aadmi Party government to come crumbling down. Now, who are you going to blame for this?
नहीं, देखिए, जो दिल्ली इज नॉट ए प्लांट सिटी, लेकिन जो एमसीडी 1 साल पहले बीजेपी के पास थी, उसके बाद इसके अंदर बहुत सारा काम हुआ। जितने भी आपने पानी के मेरे को दिखाए हैं, मिंटो ब्रिज हर बार भर जाता है, वहां का ड्रेनेज सिस्टम जो है, जितने भी अंडरपास हैं वहां पे पानी भरा हुआ है, वहां पे ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, बाकी सारी जगह पे काम हो रहा है। अभी खुराना जी कह रहे थे कि जो वहां एयरपोर्ट पे वो गिरा उनको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। अरे गुजरात के अंदर 300 मोरबी पुल गिर जाता है, उसके ऊपर इन्होंने कितने लोगों को इन्होंने सजा दे दी, इन्होंने एक भी व्यक्ति को सजा नहीं दी। अरे दिल्ली के अंदर अगर आम आदमी पार्टी का राज है, उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो सेंट्रल सरकार की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। जो एनडीएमसी एरिया है उसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
अरे पहले आप आम आदमी पार्टी का तो बताइए, परविंदर सिंह जी।
प्रगति मैदान का अंडरपास,
परविंदर सिंह जी, पहले आम आदमी पार्टी का बताइए। एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर अब
नहीं, मैं उसी का बता रहा हूं। मैं
एयरपोर्ट की बात छोड़िए, आप बताइए पूरे दिल्ली में आज जो हुआ है हालत, उसकी जिम्मेवारी कौन लेगा? 1 साल से तो एमसीडी आपके पास है ना। पहले आपने बोला कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट आपके पास नहीं है, वो 10 साल से। फिर आपने बोला एमसीडी आपके पास नहीं है, वो भी 1 साल से है। अब और क्या चाहिए आपको?
सर, 1 साल में बहुत काम हुआ है, लेकिन दिल्ली इज नॉट ए प्लांट सिटी। वहां पे बाकी सारी जगहों पे काम चल रहा है। जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, जितने नाले लगते हैं, 700 नाले लगते हैं।
क्या बोल रहे हो? दिल्ली इज नॉट अ प्लांट सिटी। आपको पता है
ड्रेनेज सिस्टम बनाया जा रहा है, सीवेज सिस्टम
बनाया जा रहा है। I'll ask if you can play out those visuals which Manish Tiwari and Shashi Tharoor have tweeted. आपको ये प्लांट सिटी में, ये आउटस्कर्ट्स में नहीं बोल रहा हूं, जमुना पार्क की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं। लटियंस दिल्ली, अब आप बोलोगे लटियंस दिल्ली भी प्लांट सिटी नहीं है सर? कुछ तो देख, मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो सर आप?
ल्यूटेन जोन की बात, कुछ एरिया है सर, ल्यूटेन जोन को छोड़ दीजिए आप, उसके अलावा दिल्ली को देखिए आप। उसके अलावा की बात कर रहा हूं मैं। जहां पे आप पानी भरा हुआ दिखा रहे हैं, वो सारे अंडरपास हैं। अंडरपास के अंदर पानी एकदम भर जाता है जब हैवी रेनफॉल होती है, और जो पानी की निकासी होने में कुछ
रामगोपाल यादव सांसद जी है, आपके सामने रामगोपाल यादव सांसद जी है, उनको कंधे पर उठाकर लिया जा रहा है क्योंकि पानी इतना है। वो अलग बात है कि वो इतने अपने आप को इतने बड़े समझते कि उनको उठाकर ले जाना पड़ता है, पानी के थ्रू जाना नहीं चाहते। बट बड़े बड़े सांसदों के घर के बाहर पानी जमी है सर। ये अंडरपास की बात नहीं है, एम्स फ्लाईओवर पर पानी जमा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बाहर फ्लाईओवर जमा है, निजामुद्दीन में पानी जमा है। आप क्या बोल रहे हो सर कि बस अंडरपास में पानी जमा हुआ है?
बिल्कुल मैं ये कह रहा हूं, ज्यादा पानी अंडरपास में भरा है। बाकी जगहों पे भी जब हैवी रेनफॉल होती है, वहां पे एक ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है,
परविंदर सिंह जी
से पानी को निकलने में समय लगता है।
आपसे बने रहिए, मैं आपके पास आने वाला हूं। I mentioned Manish Tiwari earlier. Manish Tiwari, today, Congress MP also put out visuals of him wading through water with knee-deep water rolling up his trousers. Manish Tiwari, senior Congress leader and MP, is also joining me on this broadcast. So thank you so much for speaking to Mera Now. We have a representative, someone who supports the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that what happened today in terms of waterlogging in the national capital was limited to the old trouble spots such as Minto Bridge and the flyovers. Is that the reality which you experienced, sir?
Look, I think we are missing the wood for the trees again.
The fact is that when you have a disproportionate amount of water coming down, that is, you have a very dense bout of rainfall in a very short span of time. The fact remains that really equipped to handle it. And this is the reality of climate change. And we've seen this occurring repeatedly, not only in India, but in various. So what happened in Delhi today was exactly similar to what had happened maybe 2 or 3 years ago, when in a concentrated spell of time, you had a very heavy deluge. And obviously the systems in the city, because the drainage system, the sewage system date back many decades, they are ill-equipped to handle it. So rather than get into a he said, she said, that he is to blame or X is blame or Y is to blame, I think the more important thing that we need to pay attention is that A, climate change is a reality. Such unnatural events occur with more frequency. And we need to be better prepared and better equipped to handle it.
Mr. Tiwari, you've spoken like a man of your wisdom should be, and you have hit the nail on the head that it is, of course, at the end of climate change, not just the rains and the intensity which we are seeing today, but the heat wave which Delhi was going through for the last 2 months, the pollution which Delhi has to go through. These are all these are all cases and also impacts of climate change. But my question is, sir, as a viewer and as a common person, can we really expect a political class to have the maturity to discuss climate change when the political class can't even get down to look at dealing with basic civic infrastructures, like at least ensuring that drainage facilities are functional, or at least airport canopies don't come crashing down over our heads?
Well, see, there you've actually bundled 3 questions into one, and so let me desegregate it and deal with it one by one. Insofar as the political class and its ability or inability to deal with issues is concerned, I recall that in the November of 2019, I had personally initiated and led a discussion in the Lok Sabha on the impact of air pollution on the residents of Delhi, because Punjab more than often gets blamed for no rhyme or reason because of the stubble burning which takes place, which really doesn't take into account that Delhi is already at the cutting edge or at the tipping point, of an environmental catastrophe.
Okay.
So anything which gets added to the pollution load tips it. Insofar as developing or modernizing the infrastructure of Delhi is concerned, that's inter-sea between the government of India, which handles, certain areas in Delhi, and the Delhi government, which handles certain other areas, and the municipal corporation of Delhi, to be really able to sort it out. And number 3, I think it has not only happened in Delhi. You saw the same thing happen in 22 in Bangalore. We've seen it happen in other places around the world. And it's high time that civic authorities and policy makers wake up to this reality that in future you will see more of these events occurring. And insofar as the collapse of T1 is concerned, or the canopy of T1 is concerned, that's most unfortunate, and this should be investigated. People have unnecessarily died, people have been injured,
All right.
and there should be a thorough, comprehensive investigation as to how this happened.
All right. Manish Tiwari, sir, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. We appreciate you taking your time out. Of course, those visuals which we are running at this point were tweeted out by Mr. Manish Tiwari earlier today as to how he had to commute to work. Some could draw a contrast between how Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav went to work, but that's another story as well. Umesh Sehgal has been waiting very patiently for us. He's the former Chief Secretary of Delhi. Sir, thank you for speaking to Mirror Now. Thank you for staying on with us. A simple question, sir. The statement which came in from an Aam Aadmi Party supporter is that Delhi is an unplanned city. To an extent, would you agree that is the case, at least in terms of expansion and rapid construction in the last few years? Delhi is no longer a planned city. It's a very haphazard city.